In this session, I will explain about clipboard group related options. Clipboard is one memory location where it keeps the information what you cut or copy. Later, you can paste the information from the clipboard to where you want to paste. So, if you want to highlight these two options, presently these two are in disable mode, copy, cut. You have to select the text you want to copy, text or object. Suppose if there is picture, you can select picture. Now, right now I am having this text, I am selecting this text. Now see these two options highlighted or enabled. If you deselect that one means those two options disabled. So, first you have to select the area or text which you want to copy or cut. Right now I am copying. The shortcut key for that is Ctrl C, also you can apply from the keyboard, Ctrl plus C. OK, copy. Copy option keeps the source as it is and make a copy to the clipboard area. So, already you know clipboard is one separate memory location not only in MS Office or in MS Word or in Excel, everywhere you go in any software, the clipboard will be there that keeps the copied or cutted information. Later you can paste from that. So, now I have a copy of this particular text. What I can do now, where you want, you click there and you can go for paste option. Shortcut key for that is Ctrl V. So, here in paste, suppose if I apply Ctrl V, Ctrl V directly from the keyboard, it will paste here. Or otherwise, we have different options here. Click down the arrow key. See, the first one is merge list. Merge list means these options are not constant forever. Why? Because presently we are near list of values. See, this is the list of text. So that's why it is showing merge to list, means merging the pasting text to the list already existed. Otherwise, if you want to paste, don't merge. Don't merge means it will be separate, it will not merge to the list. And if you don't want the format, simply you can say keep text only. Keep text only option just pastes only text, not the formats. Format means the colors, fonts, etc. will not come, only the text alone will come. So, like that we have different options in pasting. And not only those three options, we have some more options called paste special. From paste special, see, if you want to paste the text as normal unformatted text, unformatted text is there, and Unicode, universal code formatted text is there, unformatted text. Suppose unformatted text, I don't want any format, simply it is pasting. And if you want to paste that as HTML format, hypertext markup language format. So that is the look. And if you want to paste that as a picture, now I can select as a picture, see, okay. Now the text became like a picture. You can enhance that text. See, I can enhance that and drag it down because it became like a picture. And I can do more modifications on that picture. See, if you want to adjust, you can adjust, and you cannot type in the inside the picture. See, you can enhance that and you can rotate like a picture, but text not properly appearing here. Anyway, you can keep the text like a picture. Suppose I am reducing the size, I am enhancing the size. Okay. Suppose once again I am pasting like a picture here. Paste special and select like picture, or we can select like Word document object similar to picture. See, somewhat information is inside that picture, so that is we can enhance that. It is overriding the background, it is overriding by the background text. Anyway, and if you don't want this means you can select and delete from the keyboard. Okay, and suppose now I am selecting this particular one, I am making a copy. Now if you want to make that as a picture, paste special, picture or document object you can select. Okay, see, there is information, but it's not highlighting purely, and I will paste some other area. Paste special and like Word object. See, that is a picture. That is picture or Word object. So I can reduce its size because we cannot edit inside the picture. See, I can compress that one and I can enhance that one. Okay, if you don't want, you can simply select and delete. Okay, and these are the different options available, and once you selected information, and if you want to cut from here, cut means clearing from the source and copying into clipboard, cut. So from here the information cleared and it will goes to clipboard. Later, as usual, you can paste it. See, Control V, I am pasting. Simply Control V. Any number of times I can paste. Once you copied the information means any number of times you can paste the information. For example, I am selecting this one and I am copying, not cutting. Control C, and Control V, and again Control V, Control V. Like that I can paste any number of times, and we can use special options like this. As per our requirement I can paste, okay, using paste special also. And one more option is there, that is format painter. Format painter means if you want to format the particular text with already existing formats. For example, this text has to change like this format. So, first select the source format. I want to become this text like this. So, first I am selecting the source, then select this format painter, and now go to the area, see brush is coming there, and click on that area to which you want to format. So, exactly this kind of formatting came there also. And if you want to apply to the text also, I am selecting this format and format painter and go to the text. Exactly you have to click, otherwise it will not apply. See, not placing correctly, exactly you need to place. Suppose, yes, like this, suppose I am having some other formatting styles, like I changed color and I highlighted something. This one I need to apply to other text already existed in the document. So, I am selecting this one and I need to apply this same format to some other, like this, and I can apply to this. I can apply each and every time you need to select. Like that I can apply already existed formats to other areas in the document using format painter. Okay, and we have more options. By clicking this arrow key, we will get clipboard area, separate clipboard area. Here we have the recent copied or cutted information. See, generally if you paste Control V, suppose Control V you say, what it is giving? It is giving the last option, last formatting, text formatting option, that what you cutted or copied. Otherwise, it is showing the previous options also, like you can click here and you will get that one, or otherwise you can click here, you will get that one. These are the previous options. If you want to paste all the options in the clipboard, then say paste all, and if you don't want any text in the clipboard, then say clear all. Now you try to paste, there is no paste option here, because paste option disabled. Because paste option disabled means there is no text in the clipboard. Suppose right now I am going to copy or cut. So I am selecting this one and I copied some information. See, immediately it goes to clipboard, and next I am selecting this one. This time I am cutting, that will goes to clipboard. If you paste, the features will come. Control V I am giving, features will come. And if you want the previous option also, you can select here and if you want to paste all options, both, you can select both, and if you don't want all these means, you can simply say clear all. So remember points: to copy or cut, we have to select the text or object. Object means nothing but picture, chart, whatever it is, that we have to select. Then only cut copy options will get enabled. You can copy or cut using shortcut keys also. Suppose Ctrl C I am copying, and you can paste using Ctrl V. Ctrl V I am applying, and if you want to cut, Ctrl X is the option. Ctrl X and Ctrl V. So these are the frequently used options in any software. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl X. These are the shortcuts to clipboard options, and these you can apply not only in MS Word, everywhere you go, in any software, these three are must. Okay, and here if you don't want the clipboard means simply you can close the clipboard like this. Okay,